Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the situation if you don't have notification icons on your notifications. That is a red dot like the one I have above my messages. Please subscribe to our channel. Write your comments at the end of the video. Be sure to put your likes. Let's get you and me started. There are times when you might get notifications on the top screen or on the lock screen, but you can't see them with these red icons like I have. Over apps like Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, problems can occur with absolutely any app. What do you need to do then? First of all, go to your phone settings. To do this, swipe from the right side from top to bottom. Next, you will see a gear. Click on it. You will open your phone settings. Then you will need to scroll down to find the Settings section, which is called App. Either I have it called App Manager, maybe App Log, whoever has it. You will need to open that folder. Next, you will have a list of all the apps. For example, if you have a problem with the fact that you don't have these notification icons, let's say in Telegram, then you need to click on the word Telegram in the search box. This program appears. Click on it. Then you select Notifications. And you will need to find Badges or Badge, that is notification icons. And the only thing you will need to do is to make sure whether they are enabled or not. If they're not enabled, like in my case, let's say, just turn them on. After that, you won't have that problem with any program, and then you'll have these notification icons above the program. You will be able to see that someone has written something to you. Friends, this is the simple way you will be able to fix the situation when you have a red dot not showing in the app icon. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to give your likes and see you soon.